Manifest your dreams into reality with these three powerful words. Our words are more than just tools for communication. They are powerful instruments that shape our reality. Yet, there are three words that many of us use without realizing their detrimental impact on our lives. These seemingly innocent words block the positive manifestations we desire. But fear not. Once we recognize and remove them from our vocabulary, incredible transformations await. Let's dissect each of these words and understand their subtle, yet profound effects on our lives. The first culprit. I hope. When we utter these words, we unknowingly emanate negative energy. Behind hope lies a sense of doubt, a belief that we are not worthy or capable of achieving our desires. It's a passive plea for a miracle, rather than an active assertion of our power. Consider phrases like, I hope to get rich, or I hope to find love. Each one reinforces a mindset of lack and unworthiness. To break free from this cycle, replace I hope with I know. Affirm your worthiness and certainty. Instead of hoping for success, declare, I know I am capable of achieving abundance. Feel the shift in energy as you embrace this new mindset of confidence and empowerment. Next up, I need. When we constantly proclaim our needs, we perpetuate a sense of lack and dependency. By focusing on what we lack, we attract more scarcity into our lives. Instead, shift your perspective to one of abundance. Recognize the vast wealth of resources and opportunities available to you. Affirm, my life is filled with abundance and prosperity, and watch as the universe responds in kind. Finally, the most limiting phrase of all, I can't. These words imprison us within the confines of our past experiences and perceived limitations. But history is filled with examples of individuals who defied the odds and achieved greatness. From Shakespeare to J.K. Rowling, their belief in themselves propelled them to extraordinary heights. So banish I can't from your vocabulary and embrace I can. Believe in your unlimited potential, and watch as the world opens up to endless possibilities. In conclusion, the power of manifestation lies within our words and beliefs. By replacing hope with certainty, needs with abundance, and limitations with possibilities, we unleash our true potential. So dare to dream, affirm your worthiness, and trust in the magic of manifestation. Amazing things await those who believe in the power of their own words. But let's delve deeper into the psychology behind these words. Consider the emotional weight behind I hope. It's not merely a statement of desire. It's a subtle admission of uncertainty and lack. When we hope for something, we implicitly acknowledge that we may not believe it will happen. It's a passive surrender to fate, rather than an active claim of our desires. Now imagine the impact of replacing I hope with I know. Suddenly, the energy shifts from doubt to certainty. Instead of passively wishing for something to happen, we confidently assert our belief in its inevitability. This subtle shift in language can have profound effects on our mindset and, consequently, our reality. Similarly, let's explore the implications of I need. When we declare our needs, we reinforce a mindset of scarcity and dependency. We focus on what we lack, rather than appreciating the abundance that surrounds us. By constantly seeking external validation or fulfillment, we overlook the inherent richness of our own lives. Instead, imagine adopting a mindset of abundance. Rather than dwelling on what we lack, we celebrate the wealth of resources and opportunities available to us. We affirm our innate worthiness and trust in the universe to provide everything we desire. This shift in perspective not only changes how we perceive our reality, but also how we interact with it. Finally, let's confront the limitations imposed by I can't. These two words are perhaps the most insidious barriers to our dreams. They stem from past experiences or societal conditioning that have convinced us of our limitations. But as countless examples throughout history have shown, our potential is far greater than we often believe. By replacing I can't with I can, we reclaim our power and agency. We acknowledge that our past does not dictate our future, and that we have the ability to overcome any obstacle. This simple shift in language can unleash a cascade of possibilities, empowering us to pursue our dreams with confidence and determination. In essence, our words are not just passive expressions of our thoughts, they are active agents of creation. By consciously choosing empowering language, we can reshape our reality and manifest our deepest desires. So let us embrace the power of our words and unleash the magic of manifestation in our lives.